well done, Ryan Tomsett. He wins at Tailem Bend as a 15-year-old, just like Brock Feeney did 5 years ago.
The 86 Series Kaizen Award for 2023, Ryan Tomsett.
The Kaizen Award is awarded to the person for the most continuous improvement over the year. It's a money can't buy opportunity that you receive from it. The trip you get is pretty extraordinary. The trip was to go to Germany, see the TGR Factory in Europe, and to go to the Nürburgring and then head off to Le Mans in France and check the whole race, the 24 hours out. The TGR Factory was seriously unreal. I mean, all the behind the scenes work that goes on there is F1 level.
That's where we produce, develop race cars. We do our motorsports activities.
In all the rooms, the R&D, the CNC, the sim room, museum, the whole place was just pretty insane.
Yeah, if you want to jump in, it's okay, but don't hit the brake.
Yeah, okay.
That was pretty cool, the carbon fibre everywhere. I wouldn't mind just driving one of these things.
Yeah, so we went off to Nürburgring and we did a lap. It's like Bathurst on steroids. It's that track is unreal.
One lap is 20.8 kilometers. That's long. Now we come to a very famous corner, which is called Tomsett.
Man, that was bloody unreal. Wow. Holy moly. The undulation, the elevation change, wow man. That's seriously one in a lifetime experience, so I'm speechless. As soon as you walk through the main gate, there's people everywhere, even on a Wednesday. Definitely a surreal moment. I definitely had to pinch myself. I think the crowd on a race day is going to be absolutely chock-a-block. They're expecting 300,000 people here on a weekend. That's going to be full to the brim. It's going to be cool to see all the people.
How you doing, mate? Hey, mate. I'm Brendan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, meeting Brendan Harley was very good because to see, you know, he was in my shoes at one time, and the way he went up in his journey was very similar to what I'm doing. So.
How old are you, mate?
16.
16.
Yeah,
okay.
16.
Right.
So.
When I came to Europe the first time, actually.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this is my first time overseas as well.
Pretty cool to talk to him about, and he was really friendly to us as well. So meeting Brendan was very good.
Actually, my relationship with Toyota spans back all the way to 2004, I think it was. It was the very first Toyota racing series in New Zealand.
Yeah, the grid walk atmosphere was crazy. The people, you were shoulder to shoulder, you couldn't move really. We met a couple of famous people over there. We met Roger Penske, Zach Brown, Richard Hammond. The environment in the grid walk was crazy. Seeing the cars at night and how bright the lights are and the environment, the atmosphere, to see how fast they are, the speed they carry, the whole race itself was, I didn't make the whole 24 hours sadly, but the whole race was crazy. In my career, I've always wanted to, be overseas driving GT3s, but it's even backed it up more so, it's even put it stronger in my mind that that's where I want to end up. And just to have that experience and see what it's like has definitely made me want to push even harder to get there. To see the level that Toyota is overseas is just unreal. Europe, America, everywhere. It's global scale, it's huge. Yeah, a big thank you to all the people at Toyota Australia, everyone at TGRA. I just want to thank you so much for the trip of a lifetime. It was amazing.
Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.